You see, this is inside the box. There's the device and the adapter to convert it to Type-C, so you put the device here and it's connected to the radio here. I take the device out. That's all. You see, it's really small, super compact, and it also comes in a model that already has the Type-C, so if you have a slightly newer car than mine has a USB port. This one is the big one, the classic one. There's an identical one, but with the Type-C, as you can see, it's really tiny in my hand. Inside the box, there's also a multilingual instruction manual, which, to be honest, is useless. That actually says English here. Maybe it's all in English, I'm not sure. Maybe we'll see if there's Italian too, but I'm telling you honestly that it's useless because you don't need to do anything else. There are also QR codes here because they've also made videos that you can find on YouTube, for example, to see how to set it up, but in reality the instructions are only useful for updating. The update is the same on all these devices and it's very simple. Let's do the first pairing together. I have an Android smartphone here and an iPhone here, so, as I was saying, it works perfectly with both. Now let's see how to pair it with both, which is very simple, and all we have to do is connect it to our radio. I have the USB socket, you see down there, so it's very simple. Let's see if I'm lucky with one hand. I did it, see? I've already managed to connect it. I'll show you maybe from here on the side. See, it's already started. It's flashing there. It is immediately seen by our radio, which already suggests that we make a very simple pairing for the Bluetooth system, which then starts CarPlay or Android out. Here you can also see the software version, which is the one that you might want to check every now and then to see if there is an update. So every now and then we'll check if it's possible to update it, but I repeat, update it only if it doesn't work well or if the first pairing doesn't start. To start it, you need to have both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connected. So now we're going to turn it on and, as I was saying before, we simply have to search for a device called CAR2E204. So it's already found, you see it here, you select it very easily, you give it the pairing, you give it permission, and then it starts and the third request will arrive, which is the usual one for CarPlay. Here it is. If you have a slightly more modern iPhone, it will appear much larger here below. You don't have to do anything else, you just have to wait a second. And here it is, it starts.